Welcome, everybody. Let's start the show. All right, markets are about to open. Let's go. How's it going? All right, don't worry, I'm toning it down. Bit of a party feeling here. Okay, what's happening, everyone? How's it going? AD, what's up? Lick it. Second there, hello. Mark, welcome. How's it going? All right, let's put the shades away because I will mix up the red and the green candles. Actually, my candles are not even red and green, but who cares? So, how's it going? What was happening so far? You know what? I think we're gonna go for previous day high. I'm pretty much sure. I mean, I'm not sure. Nothing is sure, but I'd like to see this one go higher. What do you guys think? Distance is 40 points. Easy. Easy. And gold just pushing higher. Who cares about gold anyway, right? So let's see. Mihails, welcome. How you doing, man? Oh, actually, I want to open the window because there's no oxygen here. Okay, much better. More oxygen, that's what we need. Any thoughts on gold? Yeah, as I was saying, created new all-time high. It's very hard to say anything on gold. We took out these 1 minute supply zones that we talked earlier about. I see. Well, let me get this off. Maybe there is some demand zones down here that we can go with. There is a demand zone. Hold on. No, there is none. We have relative equal lows. Here. Relative equal lows. If this bearish candle at 2:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time would have just went one tick lower, I would say this would be a perfect demand zone, but otherwise it's not. Maybe on the micro gold it went lower. Let's see. No, it didn't. Okay. So I'd like to go short. I'm definitely not gonna take a long, even if it pushes higher. The top one guy, what's up? So what I'm trying to anticipate is maybe a move down on gold, but that's all. On NQ, I think we're gonna kick the previous day high in the butt. I think we're gonna go. Obviously do not enter a trade before the market open, but I have a high, well, I have a hunch that at least it will try to go up there like to 110-ish. We'll see if it's gonna get rejected earlier. Like anywhere above 100 would be a high resistance liquidity area, so we could expect you know, a rejection. We'll see. Not much here as well. I got approved on the Apex payout, so that's good. I requested it yesterday, actually at the 6 p.m. reset. So I got approved, which is good. That's all that happened so far. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. Let's go. So stay tuned. Tomorrow will be my funded future core account giveaways on the London stream. Blah. This coffee tastes like blah. I think it wants to go above the 100. I think it wants to. Actually, I can try this one. I entered the long position with 1 micro. Let's see if it takes out the 115. Oh my god, it's just 60 bucks. Oh, that's not much. That's not much. Rig it. All right. Which this one? The before one. Yeah. The one where I start at 2 a.m. Eastern Standard. Exactly. That's the one. That's the one. No, I'm not gonna do anything with this or this. Okay, so could you play pump song? Oh, yeah, we can find that. We can find that. If this is what it needs to be done to get that W, then obviously we are going to get that W.
The greatest feeling you can get is the pump.
Exactly. Pump it on gold. Look at that. Again.
The greatest feeling you can get is the pump.
Business Lens, we had a giveaway in London session. You missed it.
Your muscles get a really tight feeling, like your skin is going to explode any minute. You know, it's really tight. It's like somebody blowing air into your muscle. It just blows up. And it feels different.
It's going down.
It feels fantastic. The pump is different. The pump is fantastic.
The pump.
Fantastic. As satisfying for me as coming is, you know, as having sex with a woman coming. So can you believe how much I am in heaven? I'm like getting the feeling of coming in the gym, coming at home, coming backstage when I pump up, when I pose up in front of 5,000 people. I get the same feeling. So I'm coming day and night. That's what we call the pump.
The pump.
The pump.
The pump. Come on, pump it. By the way, here's the pump song.
Terrific, right?
All right, that was the pump song. Oh, NQ is going down. What the heck? Okay, no problem. Completely fine. We are doing just great. Dun, 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 dun. I'm actually curious if this one wants to try to run for that high again. Still 8 minutes, so... Dun, 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 dun. Hey, you're welcome. Can we do the giveaway stream in this stream? The problem is that we're gonna have Terry trades in London session, and that's why we're gonna do it in London session. And one of that, not just that's why, but that's, and we have much more viewers in London session, so that's why we're gonna do it then. So I'm sorry about this, but maybe we'll do something for next time. All right, but for now we're gonna do it in London. We'll figure out something for New York next time. All right. And it's already been announced on MyFundedTV as well that it's gonna be a London session. TP smashed. Let's go. Tom. Well, I was $9 away. Oh no, what happened, Philcus? Back to... Okay. 150. $9 to 150. What happened? NQ trades. Hey, hey. Best Bulenox. Nice. Awesome. Ah, your BS cool. Oh. Okay. But you're only 15 years old, huh? All right. Yeah, it has been announced for London. Okay, let me get this off here. Okay. It's just going down. How far can it go down, by the way? Do we have some levels down here? Technically, no. No levels of interest. Ba-dum. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Picked up some liquidity from this 15-minute gap. I don't know if that counts or not. Gold keeps pushing. Oh my gosh. Okay, the pump song really did the job. Pumping back, yeah. I'll see. Good to see you. How's it going? Bum 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 bum. It seems like it might want to drop all the way down. Wouldn't be surprised. You know. You know. Especially if there's, I mean, I think this here, they're protecting that level, but we're gotta watch for ES as well. Yeah, ES gonna run down. Unfortunately. No big deal. I closed my position, by the way. And we have this 5-minute demand zone. It's actually a really good zone. Started this push. I just sneezed. Where I put the cursor. Well, if it drops down, I just like to see this one go down to that 972. You know, that London session TP that we had, that would be some early profit taking area if it starts to drop, but we'll see. We shall see. I think it will. I see. Well, so far, I'd like to see gold, for example, drop down to 42.29. That would be amazing. That would be great. All right, let's see. Yeah, it still keeps going. There's no structure. Was there some news here? That's 8:30. Was there some sort of a news? I think there's a news candle here. At 20. Yeah, both on the... Okay. Okay, this one can go there. All the way, right? Two more minutes. Get ready. One minute. I wonder if it wants to take it out or not. Forty seconds. You think so? We'll see. 25 seconds to go. Kind of curious about this one, to be honest. 17 seconds. Eight seconds. Two and one. All right, let's see. Spiked down a little bit. Now it's up there. Back again. I'm really curious if it wants to take out that news candle down there. Now it's pushing back up. Wow, what a push. Look at this. There's a 1 minute gap up there. Going back down. It swept the liquidity here. I wonder if now it wants to go down to that 20. Careful, it could be a trap for sellers. I have a connection issue with Take Profit Trader. I have to reconnect. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, wow, wow. It's going. Is it gonna go? Look at that. 17. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Maybe it's not gonna go. Nice spike up there. Still not going. Is this the trap for the buyers? It could be. Look at this. And still no first presentation gap. I would be it would be so crazy if now it would just sweep that 20 level down there. That would be amazing. All right, not much. I was expecting a little bit more at the open. But nothing. Feels weak. Feels like it's not really sure that it wants to go up there. Kaboosh, right? No, I don't think it's inappropriate. Like, everybody has favorite job or not, right? Spies weaker, still looking for lower prices. Me too. And look at that. Yeah. It's just weak, actually. So the bulls tried one push. It didn't go through. And that's it. Nothing is happening. They tried. They almost conquered. Nothing. The funny thing would really be to see this one go all the way down to the 20. All right, the market makers told me it's gonna be a surprise. That's what they told me. Yo, what's happening? I'm still kind of waiting, like what this one wants to do. I'm sorry, guys, I'm not reading the chat. I'm kind of waiting for a possible scalp, to be honest. Maybe we can catch something here. You know, maybe. But it's not, it doesn't really want to go down to that opening range. It might try to push it again to the upside. Which is kind of strange, but at least we will see the answer. That's why I said we will see if it wants to sweep the lows at 20 or not. For now, it picked up liquidity on the 1 minute gap. Question is it gonna be, are the bulls gonna be strong enough to push it back up there? That's the big question, right? It doesn't really want to go down now. Maybe those orders were enough. Maybe. I don't know. It's kind of a fight here. Let's see. And we still have time, by the way, until 10 a.m. So I'm kind of like watching the candles print on Quant Hour. But so far, nothing special. Seemingly, they want to push it. I don't know. I don't know. It wouldn't take too much for the price to get to those highs, but we have that news candle, whatever it was. It could be holding liquidity at the 20s. So far ranging. And the macro should be starting in about 5 minutes or so. Something like that. I'm not sure. All right, I'm not going to engage into this one. I think the 20 should be swept, so I'm not watching this. This is just too much for me to watch. I'm not watching this, so let me read the chat. Max, what's up? Oh yeah, you asked that question. Alicia, Disciplined Trader, what's up? Are you sure about that favorite job? I don't know. I'm not sure. Now you got me confused. Is this a trap question? Gold again, what's happening? Oh my gosh, gold is pushing. You know, this is some sort of a news candle here at 8:30, and I don't know why it's doing this right now. But I think that's what it wants right there. Tries to sweep that low, maybe. Or not. Bum, 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 bum. All right, pushing higher. Is this going to be a possible sweep at that 13 level? It's really hard to decide. I don't know. We'll see. Nice. Yeah, you got to be careful. This market open is the tricky one because so far it's like, you know, 17 or 20 to coin flip, absolute coin flip. Best to stay away on this market. Now it feels like it just wants to go higher. How about that? What's the high on the mini, by the way? The high on the mini is 15. Actually, let me see, 15, yeah, it's 15. So yeah, interesting scenario. Wow, look at that. Almost pushed it. Still did not go through. And there you go. Now we went through. So the question was, which level is going to come first? And now that we went through that 17 level, I wonder if we can continue higher, or is it going to reverse down to that news candle? But there's no zone down there. That's the thing. There's just no zone. Yeah, Adel, I think so too. I think so too. And by the way, that 4-hour supply zone is like 137 points higher. It's not a big distance if we think about it. Who is high? I'm not high, but the markets are high. The markets are definitely high. Okay. Okay, now we had a possible reversal. Now this is what I'm curious about. Is this gonna try to go lower or not? Short at the top. All right. There's no structure shift yet, but it was a nice reversal right there. So are we gonna get that 20? I think we can. Like, you know, why not? Dun, 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 dun. That would be amazing to sweep that level. All right, is it gonna go or not? Look at that, it's gonna sweep that level. It's 20 points down. Oh my, I wanted to go short so much. It's too late now. And it can bounce as well, so don't forget it. It can also bounce. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, look at this bounce. Told you. This is like, wow. Still not going. Okay, pulling back into that fair value gap. Question is it going to try to go down again? Now it's going to go. Dangerous scalp. If anyone wants to take it, it's dangerous. Trading Star. Hey, what's up? Bit of a seek and destroy pattern, but look at that, how this level is holding it back, because everybody wants to push it below the 20, and it's kind of fighting with this area. It doesn't want to go. I wouldn't be surprised if another squeeze would come around. And you know, this kind of happens. Okay, look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Squeezing back everybody. Because everybody wants to go short. Everybody. Exactly, use protection. Dave, good morning. How you doing, man? Good to see you. How's trading? I was mistaken on a one micro challenge end date. It's October 24, not yesterday. Oh, no problem. No problem. October 24 is just as good. Don't worry about it. I'm super proud of you for doing the challenge. Amazing job. And as I said, we're going to put it in the MyFunded TV session. It'll be a great example. Oh, let me look at the 15-minute. Yeah, if it goes down to the 20, it will be very fast. It will be super fast, but we still have liquidity at 85, so I'm not going to do anything with that. All right, don't worry, Dave. It's cool. All is good. Gold is up there. There's nothing to do with gold, everybody. It's just not gonna do what we want it to do. I had a great idea for today's stream. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Okay, look at that. It might try to go down again. What do you guys think? Is it gonna go for that 20? I'm really curious. It picked up liquidity from that area. I'd love to see this one go down. Dun, dun, dun. Retracing small one in February. Yeah, that's why I'm saying, like, you know, is it gonna try to sweep that 20 level now? Exactly, Max. That's what it looks like right now. Kind of crazy, to be honest. This range is like, wow. And again, let's not forget that we have those zones on the upside, higher time frames. So $15-minute and the 5-minute definitely looks like a barcode chart. And actually, it feels like it might want to go higher. I wish I could decide which direction to go with on this one. What's it gonna do? 1 second. Well, it's not technically equal lows. Almost like it, but this is just a news candle here. And this is what I'm looking at, by the way, the 830 candle. That's what I'm looking for. Like, there was something. What kind of news was it? Does anyone know? Relatively. Exactly. 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 There's nothing to do. It's just ranging, and I don't have an entry. And I don't want to scalp it. Yeah, very horrible. Bryce, I agree with you. It's just very bad. Max, you're a poet. I like that. I like it. I like it. All right, look at that. Is it going now? Are we gonna see something now? Maybe not. Still nothing. Dog pile. Yeah. Exactly. Oh man. I don't want to focus on this. I don't know what to do with this. It's just you know, it's taking away the energy. It's kind of like causing more and more fatigue just to watch this. Look at gold. Okay. I don't care about gold anymore. I don't care about gold. Well, I do care. But not in, I mean, not trading wise. Oh, nice. 50 points? Good job, Ron. Alois Irma, I don't know. He said before the big war they will shout peace is reached. Oh wow, that's an interesting interesting thing. Dude, this price, do we, is it, are we waiting for some news or what is going on? I swear I'm just gonna close my charts and I'm gonna just watch some TV or whatever. I'm gonna read a book, actually. I swear I don't care about this. Dude, it's just so terrible. So bad. We got peace, supposedly. Yeah. Yeah, we got the peace, everybody. What to do with this? I just can't enter a trade like this. Nothing. So we're just gonna wait and sit. This, all right, Max. Trying to put him on. Oh no, that's not good. Oh my god. The man himself. No, you did not. Look at the chart. This is the 1 minute chart. Do you think you missed anything? Nothing. You did not miss anything on this one. This is such a terrible price action. I mean, not all that bad. We've seen worse. That's true, but it's still like, you just can't take a trade on this. Indecision in the market. We might just gonna sit through this one without a trade. Can we sweep that level finally, please? I'm gonna fall asleep. I swear I'm gonna fall asleep here. I just want to see something happen. Something. Okay, I'm gonna fall asleep. Wake me up and there's something. All right, I'm gonna put an alert. Let's put an alert here. All right. All right. Wake me up. Gold with the all-time high. Oh, this one. That 962. Well, to do that, I'd like to see a displacement, but first we gotta get through that 20. So, wake me up before you go. Oh, thank you, TradingView, for alerting me. Thank you for alerting me like 10 seconds later, the fact. Okay. No, they did not. Now you can, the flex add-on that they had on the scale plan, they added it to the core plan as well, I think, but I'm not 100%. I have to check the details. So you can have a bigger payout technically, but you gotta get the account to a higher. So basically, they're trying to do something like Top Step, like 50% profit split, but you can trade, you can withdraw more, but you gotta push it a little bit more. It's basically copying a little bit the Top Step payout mechanism. I mean, you can make more profits, which is awesome. I mean, you can make more profits now as well. But for example, if you make like, I don't know how much, 2 or 3, I don't know how much is the cap right now. $3,000 on the core account. Yeah, I think 3,000. So if you withdraw 3,000, you can get 1,500. So you can push your core account up to like $4,000 or $5,000, and you can withdraw 3,000 with a 50% profit split. I think basically the same happens at Top Step too, if you really think about it. Now the core account has this free add-on that you can actually change your payout policy, just like if you have a Top Step account. I think that was the goal. That's just my personal opinion. I think MyFundedFutures had this goal to be better in price and everything, like the Top Step Combine. And now with the Flex add-on, it's possible, because if you think about the activation fee and all that. Hey, you're welcome, Trading Star. If you think about the activation fee at Top Step and the Combine price, now with the core account, with the free Flex add-on, you're basically getting a much cheaper account than Top Step, with the same payout policy, basically. And it's cheaper. So, you know. But she never regrets. What are you talking about, man? Are you Filkos? Did you change your name? You kind of have those Filkos jokes. And by the way, today is the last day to get the 80% and 83% discount at Apex and Bulenox. Obviously, they will come up with a sale again, hopefully, but we don't know when. So if you want an 80% discount with Apex, you can still get it today. All right, just saying. I don't know if they're gonna extend it, but oh, you know him. I think, yeah, you guys have the same humor. By the way, how's trading nowadays, the man himself? How you doing? How's things? Okay, now we swept the 20s. This is the area that we go up there now again. Look at this. Look at this. Swept the low. Now it wants to sweep higher. Who knows? Don't get into the trade. Look at the 5 minute. It's like a barcode chart. It's nothing. Not trading NQ today. All right. Do you guys want to try out a giveaway right now? Actually, let me check it, because I'm testing the marbles giveaway for tomorrow and I don't know if it's gonna work. Do you guys want to run a test? this is gonna be a test, and I'm not rich or anything, but I can give away something. Let's see. Let me set it up, okay? So maybe I can give away some money. Cash giveaway. Absolutely. Yeah, all right. Okay, this is going to be a test, all right? This is going to be a test. We're going to do a $50 cash giveaway. The way that we're going to do it is going to be... It's going to be like... so... I'm going to put your names into a marbles game, all right? Let's see if we can do this. I have to log into my Steam account. Okay. All right. All right. What is this? Okay, restarting Steam. Let's see. Because I think it will be fun for tomorrow. So we can run a test right now. All right. Okay. Okay, I started the giveaway, exclamation mark cash. All right, exclamation mark cash. Philcos, what did you... My guts are wrenched. What? Oh my god. Okay, exclamation mark cash, everybody. So here's the way it's gonna go. Everybody gets one ticket, just like we do usually. So you type in exclamation mark cash. But I'm going to get the names into a text file. And I'm going to ask ChatGPT to convert it to a CSV file because I have to upload it to the game. All right, I have to upload it to the game. All right, exclamation mark cash, everybody. We have only 6 participants. The odds are very good. 6 participants. Exclamation mark cash. The odds are very good, guys. The odds are very good. Oh, you guys are gonna love this. Only 6 participants in the chat, in the giveaway. That is like, wow. Canary Trader, welcome. Good luck to everyone. So this is going to be a test, all right? This is going to be a test. I'm going to show you guys what I'm thinking. Actually, okay. It's going to be marbles on stream. So this is how it's going to go. I don't care. And marble up. Oh my god. Grand Prick. Okay. So these are, oh, what is this? Standard. Race. Okay, we can do this. So we can choose a, wow, look at this. And I'm gonna upload the names. I actually did that earlier. Okay, but I'm gonna do a test run live on stream if we can get it. Exclamation mark cash, 8 tickets only yet. So if you want the giveaway, you can still enter. I have the perfect music for it, by the way. I have the absolute perfect music. Okay, nobody entered. That's it. 8 participants and 21 viewers. Guys, the odds are absolutely great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the names from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's easy. I'm going to copy the names. Let's go. Jonathan, first payout. Target 25k. Let's go. Oh, sorry, profit target. Oh my god, I can't read. Why did I say payout? First profit target. That is amazing. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, that's it. No more. X Keith just subscribed. Welcome to the channel. So then we're not gonna wait too much. This is gonna be $50, very good chances to win. Now what I'm gonna do is I am going to copy the names from here. I'm gonna put it to where is, so I have to do like a, okay. Keith entered. Okay, I'm copying his name too. So we have 9 participants. I'm not gonna wait for too long. Okay, it's 9. I'm gonna close the entries, all right? Closing the entries. We have 9 participants. So what we're gonna do, I'm converting this. All right, stay tuned. This is going to be a test. Okay. So what we're going to do No, not this. Here. Add names. All right, added the names. You guys can see it, right? Can you see it? Everybody has the names. You guys can see it, right? Here are the names. Everybody who participated in the giveaway. All right. Finish. So I added the names. That's 9 names. So what I have to do, let's just, well, which circuit would it be? I mean, which map do you guys want to go with? I mean, it doesn't have to be super complicated. This looks awesome. I mean, we can go with a simple one, right? How about this one? That's 1 minute. This is like, okay, this is 2 minutes to go through. Wow. This is also 2 minutes. How about this? Oh, where you win in the end. Okay. Oh my god. All right. Anyway, I'm just going to choose one. I'm just going to choose one. I don't know if it's going to be any good. This is a test, I told you guys. And obviously, I don't see the names. I don't see the names. Okay, don't worry. Gotta go back. All right, let's go with this. Okay, we have the names. Look at this. Here are the marbles. Everybody who participated. You guys can see it, right? Awesome. We have the names. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Hey, Joseph. We're doing a giveaway. You guys are too late. Actually, I can add you guys. Looks cool. You guys want to participate? I know you want to. Damn. Okay, now at least we know. Don't worry, I'm gonna add you guys manually, okay? We don't have time with the other stuff because I don't have all day long here. But add names. We're gonna add Boom Banana. Okay. And we're gonna add who else? Jenna. Okay. We're gonna enter Jenna. Jenna Pliskin. Mark. Okay. You guys are late. This is just a test. For you. That's it. I'm not typing the whole name, but it will be good. Joseph. Okay. You were driving. Okay. Joseph Gungle. Okay. Joseph is added. Anyone else? Did I left out someone? No one. Okay. Okay. Let's start this. Okay, finish. Jonathan is here. Oh my god. Jonathan. Jonathan, you want to participate? Okay. Jonathan. Gudino, sorry. Okay. All right, so now we're 14 participants. Okay, let's choose a map. We are ready. Okay, let's do this. 14, right? 14. Okay. All right. So bots and 14. That's the thing. Let's go. Okay, we have everybody here. Look at this. We have everyone. Here are the marbles. Can we start? All right, let me add some music. Let me add some music. $50 cash. I know you love this music. Oh my gosh. All right, let's start this. All right, who's the first one? Jonathan. Mark is the first. Going down. Behind him, Jonathan. Adam on the other side. Oh my god, they are coming. What is going on here? First place. Filkos at the first place. Hong Lo. It's Trading Star at the first place. Look at him. Adam took the pole. Second place, Canary Trader. Oh my god. Adam at the first place. Behind him, oh my god, Filkos at the third place. Fourth now. Oh my gosh, look at Adam. Woo. He's going. He is going. Oh my gosh, he stopped. The others are behind him. The others are behind him. Honglo is behind him. Filkos at third place. Oh my gosh. Look at the lead. Look at this guy. He's... Now everybody's gonna say it's rigged. Jesus. Everybody's way behind. Honglo, second place. Canary Trader coming in. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry. Adam at the first place, second place, Honglo, X Keith, Canary Trader at the fourth place, Filkos fifth. It's Trading Star went down to... Okay, this is gonna be interesting. This is gonna be interesting. Adam keeps held. Oh my gosh, Honglo took the lead just like that. Jesus, look at that. What's happening? Second place. First place got taken by Honglo. Filkos. Oh my gosh, Filkos coming to the second. Canary Trader. Unbelievable. The tension is so high. Almost at the finish line. Honglo at the first place. What is going on? We just lost Adam. Oh my god. Trading Star is out. Who is gonna be the winner? And Honglo, just like that, won the $50 cash giveaway. And behind him, third place, Filkos, actually down to fourth place, Jonathan, Canary Trader, and everybody else. And unfortunately, we lost Adam and Trading Star. They fell off the cliff. And here we see John C. Well, can he make it there? Who knows? But yeah. And look at the last places. Boom Banana and Joseph coming in. Well, it doesn't matter because Hong Lao just came in and won the $50 cash giveaway. Wow. Boom Banana stuck up there, but almost. The winner is Hong Lao. I hope you guys liked it. I think it was a good one. What can I say? It was fun, right? Don't tell me it wasn't fun. Congratulations to the winner. Very exciting. All right. Hong Lo, I don't know if you have PayPal. I hope you have PayPal. But this is what we're going to do tomorrow. Just saying. This is what we're going to do tomorrow at the MyFundedFutures giveaway. The difference is that the first 5 places are going to win the core account, okay? The first 5 is going to win. I think it was fun. So anyway, it was good. Okay, let me just... How do I close this? One more for fun. Just a second. Let me type in my email for Honglo. Honglo, if you have PayPal, that would be the best. Okay. If you don't, I can do crypto, but you gotta wait maybe a day or so. Because I had to do some converting. So here's my email. Send me your PayPal and I will send it to you after the stream. All right. That was strangely fun, right? I also liked it. One more. Final results, by the way. Look at that. Adam, Trading Star, Dave, Jenna, Mark, Alcy. They fell off from the cliff there. Okay. Play again. Oh, not this map. Let's choose another map. Okay. Let's go with another one. Let's go with another one. Which one should it be? Wow, what the heck is that? I don't know. Space Station. Let's do the Space Station. Bots and 14. The most difficult one. All right, let's go with this Space Station. Okay, we have the participants right there. Look at this. Oh my, guys, if you can make it through this, I can tell you that, okay, this is gonna be wow. I have a Discord. I can send you the link. If send me an email and I will send you a link. So this is awesome. Okay. Red News Day. Yeah, Komodo, this is something. Oh, just a second. Let me start the music. All right, everybody ready? Let me know. Everyone's ready? I hope everybody's ready. Let's do this for fun. All right, let's do this. It's starting. First place, Dave. We're gonna be here and waiting for the first ones to come down. Alcifi at the first place, Hong Lo again. Boom Banana took the lead. Boom Banana took the lead. No, Filkos is at the first place, Filkos. Oh my gosh. What's happening? Oh, look at this. We lost Keith. He got teleported to space. And Dave as well. Oh my gosh, Filkos at the first. I don't even know what I'm seeing here. Canary Trader at the first place is... Okay, Filkos at the first place. Jesus. Now, okay, Jonathan took the first place now. Guys, I can't follow like this. This is just too fast. First place, Dave and Joseph. Jenna now took the first one. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is gonna be intense. Hong Lo again. I think he rigged the game. That's why he won. Boom Banana first place. Adam second. Okay. Jesus. And Hong Lo again. The first place. Almost. Oh my god. Alcifi taking the lead now. Aussie at the first place. Let's see. Come on. Come on. And here it is. The first place. Aussie. The others are still fighting. They're still trying. You know, who's going to be the last one? Second place goes to Dave Joseph. The third place, Hong Lo, came in fifth. Adam, no, actually Adam fourth and Adam fifth. That was a great deal here. But this was only for fun. All right, don't worry. I'm not going to torture you with this music. Winner, Alcy. Congratulations. 1 minute 52 seconds. Congratulations to the winner. But this was just only for fun. You died again. Final results. It seems like Trading Star fell off again, along with Philcos, Mark, Canary Trader, Keith. Well, we lost these guys. These are the ones who made it. So anyway, this is what we're gonna do tomorrow. All right, this was a test run. Oh, look at NQ. Look at NQ. That was fun, right? So tomorrow, London session, my funded futures core account giveaway is gonna be like this. 5 accounts for giveaway tomorrow. All right. It was just a trial. Aussie, come on. No. Stay tuned for tomorrow. It's gonna be awesome. Anyway, I'm not gonna take a trade on this, but I do believe we're going for that 256. That's what I think. Actually, what's the risk to reward here? 250. I mean, with 1 micro, it can still be a good trade. I'm not gonna go for it. So, this is what we have. All right. Is anybody still here, or is it just me? Yeah, maybe it's only me. All right. Market is going higher. Gold dropping a little bit here. This is it. Here. All right. Sorry. I was wondering, like, did my stream just died or something, froze or something? I don't know. All right. All right. Guys, thank you so much for participating and being here. I'm not gonna take more trades, although I would stay bullish. I think we will go higher for now, unless there's some news, you know, comes out. But that's it. I'm gonna be at MyFunded TV shortly, so see you guys there. Tomorrow, Terry Trades is gonna be our guest. There was some news, Komodo. I don't know. There was no red news or something. Nothing. Nothing, Komodo. Nothing at all. No red news. So tomorrow we'll have Terry in London and 5 MyFunded Futures core account giveaway. But it's not going to be like 5 rounds of this, okay? Make sure to be here in London. And thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. If you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the TOMSABO code. It really helps out. I can also give back to the community, and I can be here full time, you know, the usual stuff. Thank you so much. God bless you all. I'll be at MyFunded TV and tomorrow London and New York. God bless.